ये पिछली बार क्या बोला था ऐसे इंटरव्यू में?
It's and there the whole narrative is कि औरतें अगर एक्टिंग करने जाती हैं तो 10 डायरेक्टर के साथ सोना ही पड़ता है. It's very like hectic. I'm like, oh wow, what is this? It's too much and comedy is like far from that क्योंकि तुम जाके अपना स्पॉट करके निकलो या फिर खुद भी कुछ कर सकते हो.
मैं अपने मामा के पीछे मोटरसाइकिल में जा रही थी and we don't have a very like it was some emergency, okay, because we don't have that equation कि मैं और मामा मतलब we going to hospital and उसके बीच में मामा like हंसा लेती हो तुम लोगों को. हाय, मेरा नाम है प्रशस्ति.
हाय, मेरा नाम है उरूज अशफाक.
Hi, my name is Sumukhi Suresh.
और आप देख रहे हैं और बताओ स्तुति के साथ.
Hi guys, welcome to yet another episode of Aur Batao. With me on screen, you know, are three women known for their wit and humor. And God knows we need this, especially the times that we are in. With me today, Uruj, Prashasti, and Sumukhi Suresh. Welcome to Aur Batao.
Hi.
Hi Stuti, how are you?
Sumukhi, I must tell you, ये सफेदी की चमकार is distracting me today.
Yeah. So my idea is कि light यहाँ से reflect होगा, फिर मेरी शक्ल पे होगा, फिर वापस भी जाएगा.
Genius.
Okay, I will start off by saying, of course, we've got the three of you together. It's about women in comedy. इतने साल ये करने के बाद, now that your new show is coming, Comedy Premium League on Netflix, what is the first thing that comes to your mind when people say, oh, female comedian, female comic, what is it like being a female comic? Like, sachi wala, huh? Give me like the unfiltered words that come in your head.
पिछली बार क्या बोला था ऐसे इंटरव्यू में?
पिछली बार का हाँ. Also like अगर ये सच में CPL का women in comedy में तो और भी औरतें होनी चाहिए. तो like just letting everyone know कि यहाँ पे तो काफी 50 और at least 5-6 of us more, है ना?
Yeah. Total 16 of you, right?
And I think 7 of us, I think 16 to 7 or 8 women are there. So there's a 50% ratio pretty much in the cast.
But something as natural as laughing, as making people laugh. Why do you think people get so like gender? Women are not funny, this, that. But with the experience that you guys have over the years, has the fatigue set in? Have you told people off, started just losing all the diplomacy and telling people what you think when they write mean comments under your videos?
I think when people say things like women aren't funny, there was no diplomacy to begin with for it. It's such an absurd thing to say. I mean, 50% of the world and entire gender is not funny. I feel like जब कोई ये बोलता है ना, यार आपका एड्रेस करने का मन ही नहीं करता है, because you're like this, आपका जो starting point है of understanding life and gender, वो इतना नीचे है इस टाइम पे कि मुझे 1 साल लग जाएगा आपसे conversation करते करते. और आपका ये तो आपकी, this is a function of your time, probably your locality where you live, who brought you up. It's so many things that come together for a person to hate women enough to say that women aren't funny. तो हमारे एक बढ़िया जोक से तो उनका माइंड चेंज नहीं होगा. वो बोलेंगे कि हंसी नहीं आई, चाहे उन्हें जितनी हंसी आई हो, they will still be like, you are not funny. और शायद नहीं भी आती होगी, हमारी शक्ल देख के उन्हें गुस्सा आता होगा. तो I mean, there's still something to say to people who have constructive criticism to give to you as an individual, as opposed to just gender. But I mean, at least personally, मैंने तो गुस्सा होना ही बंद कर दिया है क्योंकि you become numb after some time.
I can relate to that.
What that happens with time also is that while you start like you realize कि इन लोगों से बात करने का मतलब ही नहीं है. You also realize कि there is always a small audience जो ऐसा नहीं सोचती है. Like you have to keep
your. Of course. There are people who love you and
men also who are as much part of that audience. So you're like, you know what? So like basically, if you were looking at data, in the beginning, we're all looking for comments and feedback to be like, कि हम क्या improve कर सकते हैं अपने बारे में. And the problem is कि there's so much negative feedback and so much biased feedback that we get lost. But with time, we all figure out that there is an audience that can give you constructive feedback that is more like you, or is or at least is somewhere in that spectrum, जो थोड़े open minded हैं, जो joke के लिए सुनने आते हैं. And then that becomes the audience you start working with, you start growing with. And I think that is a place I think most of us come to at some point. So हमें वो फर्क पड़ना बंद हो जाता है. And of course गुस्सा तो आता ही है. because all the trolls or trolling is also उनके घरों में भी funny औरतें हैं, मतलब मेरे खानदान में, okay, people, women who work in kitchen are the funniest, okay, ऐसे कि वो उनका survival mechanism is funny, okay, they have to be funny to just make sense of life.
Exactly.
And, but you're just choosing to not see it, so nobody can help you. Then it's not that we are a new concept to you. You just have chosen to ignore it, like since you were born. So nobody can help you then.
Sumukhi?
Specifically for hate comments, women in comedy to now, or the concept of female comic, I think all of us have realized that this tag exists for a reason. I think I just said it, I'm going to repeat it and they have to go through this again. Is that it's okay, you've given the audience has given the tag of female comic, chalo, theek hai. The media has given the tag of female comic, chalo, okay, fine. But what I would like to push for is that now there are enough number of us and enough number of unique voices within the girls for you to not club us as a genre. Female comedy is not like science fiction. That it's female comedy. You know, it is, यार अलग-अलग jokes हैं, मैं अलग तरीके से बात करती हूँ, उरुज अलग तरीके से बात करती है, Malika अलग तरीके से बात करती है. We all have different voices. So to club us in that same genre, I really implore like the people who are like, when you're putting content out or when you're writing about us also, I'm like, बोल दो कि हमारे भी different voices हैं. There is a way to, you know, that Uruj has a genre of comedy, or someone else is Aishwarya Mohan Raj has something else, or like Sumaira has a something else. Everyone is bringing something to the table, so stop putting us in the same box. It also ends up putting girls against each other, which is literally far away from what women in comedy are. Actually, women in comedy, if you really hang out with us, we are filled with jokes, heavy backing each other. Even if love, hate, or we are feeling neutral about each other, we're like, चाहिए क्या अभी तेरे को बता हम देते हैं. So like ये collaboration के बारे में बात नहीं होती ना. Like it's almost like women in comedy में आप लोगों को क्या लगता है? मैं अरे हम लोग का तो आगे ही बढ़ गया है यार. ट्रेन क्या कर रहे हो तुम लोग? So अगर ये है, the idea is to make sure that because of the tag female comic, more girls can do open mics. Please go for it. What if it is to club us in a box and be like, आप लोगों को ना ये करना है? Then that's not working out. Hate comments तो just let it be. It doesn't matter, Baba. They are very like just how to, and they are also doing it to get a response. They're like, छेड़ाना मैंने तुझे, छेड़ाना, तुझे.
Oh, you're triggered.
Yeah.
Also feel like from a slightly like humanistic perspective, I think it's a very sorry way to live. अगर आप एक entire gender को you are putting them in a box and you're dismissing them, I feel like you have one life. You are missing out on experiences with an entire gender of people and just understanding things. आपकी क्वालिटी ऑफ लाइफ ही कम होती है स्ट्रेस से, मेरे हिसाब से तो, कि आपने अपने आप पर ले लिया है कि अब एक जेंडर को हम पुट डाउन करेंगे. आपकी लिस्ट में एक और टास्क नहीं हो गया करने के लिए, आपके पास और काम नहीं है. Like much.
Super. Okay, Comedy Premium League में क्या हो रहा है? We know there are going to be 16 comics, but what's happening? What can we expect?
It's 16 comics, 4 teams. There are multiple. We're doing debate, we're doing roast, we're doing presentation, stand-up. And we're also starting with and sketch. We're starting with हम लोग तो सब enjoy करना है, and then you're like, oh shit, हम सब compete कर रहे हैं, oh no. So it's a roller coaster ride where हम like सब दोस्त हैं, छोड़ोगे नहीं मैं तुझे, सब दोस्त. So it's a nice little roller coaster.
You know, I'm glad you said this, because obviously with comics ये होता है that they're full of life, they're laughing, this great bond, but at the end of the day, यार competition तो feel होता होगा ना. And that also must be irrespective of gender. Everything said and done.
Oh yeah. I have a feeling outside CPL we are not as competitive. I think CPL में डब्बे में डाल दिया हमको उस bubble में, when they're like, अभी छोड़ेंगे.
Because it was all fun and games till the first episode, and I'm repeating myself, but the first episode happened, and then we saw the scores come up on screen, and then I think we are performers, so हमें हारना पसंद नहीं. We started feeling we like अब compete करेंगे. So until then we were like अरे competition की कोई बात ही नहीं है, हंसाना है. Then as soon as the scores started coming in, we were all competitive. We all got into it. And whichever team we were not competing with that day was our friend team. Next day if you are competing with them, we're like आज तुमसे बात नहीं करने का मन कर रहा है, हम कल बात करेंगे तुमसे.
अच्छा, अब तो we know about this. We know the amount of hard work that goes in, the thought that goes in कि material ले रहे हैं, रख रहे हैं, you're trying it out अलग audience पे. But when you started off, when you guys accepted that थोड़ा zone से हट के, this is what you guys want to do, what was the best reaction that you've got so far when you told your family, friends, or somebody that this is what I want to do. I'm going to be a comedian or a stand-up comic. What was the reaction?
Rashidi, you start.
Yeah,
I remember two reactions distinctly, and because I think everyone expects my mummy ने कैसे react किया होगा, but my mother was like कैसे आ रहे हैं ठीक है, like that was the level of reaction. So I don't have a story there, you know. I think पैसा whatever, but I remember I was in this was like 6 months, like almost 1 year into comedy, and my relatives had gotten to know कि मैं ये कर रही हूँ, and they were trying to make their peace with it. मैं अपने मामा के पीछे मोटरसाइकिल में जा रही थी, and we don't have a very like it was some emergency, okay, because we don't have that equation कि मैं और मामा like we're going to hospital, and उसके बीच में मामा is like हंसा लेती हो तुम लोगों को unless he, you know, he spent like that entire day with me, and he was thinking somewhere कि ये कैसे हंसाती होगी यार
वो ये कैसे होगा हाँ लड़की
genuinely he's never seen me doing. I am not the person in my family who's like who's the clown, right? I sit back or I hide myself, so he's genuinely like कि हंस लेते हैं लोग and I'm like कि वो अरे लोगों को
imagine saying yes to that हाँ
I didn't get any weird reactions, to be honest. I think, I mean, my parents were also the same. They were like, is this a sustainable career? Can you be independent? And उनको लगा कि actually this is just a phase, because I was doing it in my gap year between my BA and possibly doing an MA, which I didn't now. तो अगर comedy नहीं चली तो मेरे पास कोई education नहीं है guys, तो यही करना पड़ेगा मुझे. But they were really like, let her get it out of her system, उसके बाद पढ़ाई कर लेगी. But in the meantime, I made some money, so they were okay with it. They were not like surprised. They were like, ये तो है ही attention seeking, तो लगा ही था करेगी तो जाओ बेटा कर लो अपना.
चलो क्या बात है. Okay, Sumukhi, you I'm sure will have stories.
Yeah, mine is so 1 hour only has been gone out now about that. Which is just no, because my mother's first reaction was because my mom comes from my family comes from very conservative Tamil background, so it's and there the whole narrative is कि औरतें अगर acting करने जाती हैं तो 10 directors साथ सुना ही पड़ता है, and it's very like hectic. I'm like, oh wow, what is this? It's too much, and comedy is like far from that, क्योंकि तुम जाके अपना spot करके निकलो या फिर खुद भी कुछ कर सकते हो. And I'm telling my mom कि नहीं मैं improv करने जा रही हूँ stage पे, and she's like तुम जा ही रही हो तो फिर बेच क्या जाओ अपने बदन को. I'm like, what is this? Mama, and that too in Tamil. She's like, a stage போறேன் நான் அப்ப வித்துட்டு வந்துறேன்.
Oh god.
And in Tamil it sounds more aggressive. It's more like I'm sure you're selling something for sure. एक उंगली काट के तो बेच के आएगी. It's really that. And that was her, and it's not that she's a chartered accountant, so all of her meter for all her student is that it's just for me. She went full attack, and then I hid it from her. I didn't tell her, or I didn't tell my family. I maintained a proxy job for like 2-3 years, and then eventually she found out. Yeah, one YouTube video she saw where I play a vagina, and correctly that only got into one bhajan group of hers, and I got just royally like just out. I couldn't even come back from that
group.
Yeah, I'm like one minute that bhajan group में मेरे vagina का video क्यों जा रहा है? ये कौन सी भजन है बताओ तुम लोग. So then eventually it became then I think what changed, I think my elder brother finally I confessed to, and then he realized oh okay, she's not like, for my elder brother is he's like, it's like that what is it, the VJs, वो VJ वाली face तो नहीं है ना, वो pop star वाली face तो नहीं है कि खत्म हो जाएगी. It's like ये सारा comics ना सिर्फ तुम लोग VJ बन के घूमते हो. VJ नहीं है यार.
You know, like these are such cute stories, but I'm sure now everyone's like warmed up and they want to kind of help you. So material में जब family and friends help करना चाहते हैं, how weird and embarrassing does that get? Have your parents or mother forwarded you something saying ये joke है, ये use करना अपने next set पे? Never, Uruj?
All the time. My parents just want to inflict their comedic taste on me, and they will say something and they'll be like, बेटा ये बोल सकते हो तुम stage पे. I'm like, आपको बस अपने 15 minutes of fame चाहिए to begin with. मैं भी उतनी कोई खास famous नहीं हूँ और आप मुझे बोल रहे हो आपके बारे में बात करने के लिए. It's very sad, guys. Let's just realign our expectations. But my parents love to give me inputs. You know, they'll say something and they'll be like, इसके सामने मत बोलना है. I'm like, हूँ यहाँ पे. ये तो सारे कॉमिक्स के साथ होता है. एंड अगर आप गलती से किसी के जोक पे हंस दो ना अपने फ्रेंड सर्कल में, तो दे लाइक अच्छा तुम्हें बोलना है तो दे गिव यू आईपी राइट्स.
Oh yeah, dude.
इंटेलेक्चुअल प्रॉपर्टी राइट्स तुम बोल सकते हो उससे. लाइक हमें नहीं चाहिए आपकी इंटेलेक्चुअल प्रॉपर्टी राइट्स. But it's really funny and sweet. Actually, I think it's really sweet that if something funny happens, they immediately what they do is actually they immediately just link it to you then and there, and they're like, "Hey, if you want it, you can take it." I'm like, that's very sweet, but no, I don't want.
I spent a lot of time with my relatives last year, okay, because Lucknow mein
Yeah.
thi, pandemic tha, and I realized कि again similar thing happened that if we are together and something is happening, something high, लड़ाई हो रही for example सबकी, and some kid will say कि अरे दीदी डाल देंगी इसको set पे. It is extremely funny, honestly, but they don't understand कि it's very difficult to translate that chaos.
I can
would put
imagine.
in my case, it's so chaotic. I can't bring these colors into my comedy. I don't have that skill, but definitely that fear is there कि अभी डाल देगी, अभी डाल देगी. यही करती है ये. So that happens.
Sumukhi,
My dad doesn't give me feedback. My dad knows very MA literature and Tamil and also. With me, he's very like, why don't you read these stories just to enrich your thought process? So he's very that, which is very good. But my rest of the family, yeah, tends to like, and I think personally, the person who's funniest in my family is my dad. My mom is animated. She's very amusing. You can watch her, you can enjoy. But my father is the funny one. Like if someone has to have a stand-up in my family, it's my father because he has the whatever. So unse I take, but my brothers are very like, bhi dete hain. And now it's become a gag for my elder brother who's in the US. It's a full gag where he calls. He's like, I have a joke for you, and it's the worst joke.
oh God,
It's the worst. I'm like, how can you speak like
bad
this?
jokes.
It's not even dad jokes. It's just like dad's trying to be youthful jokes. That just makes it more hurtful. And he's like, you can try it. I'm like, no, don't. How dare you? And now he's realized it's pissing me off. So every time he's like, because he calls me Goli. He's like, Goli, I have a new joke for you. I'm like, man, don't piss me off now. So my elder brother has become, and my second brother sends me memes as if I don't see them. I already know the memes that exist. He's very like, just, and they're all like those, those
Trying to help,
started, and everything is just getting recycled everywhere. And we know it already. Because हमारी life ऐसे हमको memes पता चल जाते हैं पहले. And he's very like, just for your reference. चलना. So that's.
This is just family and friends trying to be helpful. Acha, I understand कि एक अलग तरह का pressure है, especially with censorship, with how sensitive everyone is and how everyone's so ready to get hurt. Is there more pressure like with wokeness, cancel culture? Is your job just getting harder by the day?
Yeah.
Yeah.
As in, of course, you can. One is, you can choose to not do certain things at all. You can really sanitize your bits. You can, you can absolutely be like, मेरे को तो जाना ही नहीं है. But the thing is, the human being, a thought process doesn't work like that. It's like.
But are there things now you've identified saying, I'm not going to joke about this. This is just like, this territory is.
Anyways, not deliberately trying to joke about something to do offense. But the thing is, when you're making jokes in general, you assume कि, कि you would. You're not sure किस चीज पे बुरा मान जाएंगे. It's like we keep discovering कि अच्छा ये इस पे भी बुरा मान सकते हैं क्या. So that has become a problem कि वो line आप कितना draw करते जाओ. So that becomes a little irritating, and of course we're all trying to work around it. But the fear is कि अब इसके बाद अब क्या आ जाएगा जो आप नहीं बोल सकते. फिर आप क्या वो slice कितना छोटा होता जाएगा वो समझ में नहीं आ रहा. And that is a little annoying in that sense.
I feel like sure, wokeness and cancel culture very much a part of what we can and cannot write, but there is also actual jail time. There are two sides of the political spectrum. Both have problems with certain topics because they offend their political sensibilities, and at some point you will offend someone on some side of that spectrum. I mean, you are you are like, that's one thing to be publicly shamed. It's another to have legal consequences to a joke.
Yeah.
So you are also sort of weighing the pros and cons. Because see, criticism is fine. It's a part of the job. You are saying something publicly, public will have opinion. People can say I disagree with you. People can say I hate your joke. People can say your joke personally hurts the feelings of this certain community. Now the question is about whether you as an artist think they are right and you missed something and you want to take that feedback on and work with it in the future, or you want to stick to your joke. What has happened is there is no freedom to say ki I disagree with you on either side of the spectrum. I feel like that space should remain because you have to apologize now no matter what.
If I now realize that, oh Samukhi, I don't think you meant, I think you've learned that this is not the way. वो लर्निंग एंड लर्निंग की जो स्पेस है वो है ही नहीं कॉमिक्स में, क्योंकि हम इतने अप्रोचेबल है आपको लगता है कि आपने अपने नेबर के चिंटू को आप डांट रहे हो कि चिंटू तो ऐसे क्यों बोला. हमने यस आई एम चिंटू बट आई एम आल्सो नॉट चिंटू. यू गॉट हेल्प मी. चिंटू हैज टाइम टू लर्न एंड अनलर्न. हम लोगों को नहीं मिल रहा है यार. So when you have you've given us the privilege of enjoying our content, also give us the time and space to learn and unlearn. You know, like it is our job and we take it very, especially comics, we take it very seriously. जब हमारे सच में एक फीडबैक समझ आता है, हमने सच में किसी को बुरा लगा ना, हमको बहुत बुरा लगता है. हम 10 घंटे सोचेंगे उसके बारे में कि ओ शिट बुरा लग गया. ओवर थिंकिंग बैटमैन है सबके सब. तो सच में ही हम सोच के आएंगे. तो वो थोड़ा अगर मिल जाता है थोड़ा सा टाइम और स्पेस लर्निंग अनलर्निंग का, तो it will become better like that, because others they have covered. I just wanted to touch upon this.
अगर कोई केस ना करे तो वो छोटी कोई और केस मत करना बस टाइम.
फिर हेक्टिक नहीं हो जाता. फिर
पुलिस स्टेशन से पहले थोड़ा अगर हमसे बात करो,
गूगल भी करो, लॉयर को भी फोन करो. इतना कितना करेगा पब्लिक. सिविक्स बुक निकालो 7th स्टैंडर्ड की. शिट.
Okay, my final question. You guys make us laugh. Who makes you laugh? Prashasti, starting with you.
It's very difficult to beat my family. They don't try to make me laugh, but it's just I mean, they're the most colorful and the most like the ironic comedy, sarcastic comedy, dark comedy, everything is there. So
But if I were to ask you somebody from your fraternity, it's the second question.
हम यहीं बैठे हैं. अगर तुझे कोई तो हम
इन लोग का तो by default है. No, I think it's very difficult to pick a name, but I tell you, during CPL, Rahul Subramaniam made me laugh the most. Okay, like,
team member, my team, guys, whoever's watching this is my team.
Okay, Uruj, what about you? Who makes you laugh?
Okay, so again, obviously, I mean, you know, I'll tell you who makes me laugh. Comics off stage. Because I do, of course, I laugh at their stuff on stage. It's very funny. There's no doubt, okay? But comics off stage together are unfiltered and unhinged. So these two gals, all the other people on CPL, it's, I think, of course, there's family and friends who make me laugh as well, and they're amazing. But there is just one, I feel that there's a very special relationship of comics in a room just being comics with each other. And I really enjoy it, and I feel
no
like
jail time ka khatra.
Yeah, exactly. And we sort of, and it's not even about being mean. It's just that we know that the other person does not mean what they're saying.
Yeah.
And it's just that security and knowing कि हम सबको पता है कि at the end of the day, we want to just make the funniest joke.
Yeah.
It's about that. It's not about who कि हम इसके बारे में नहीं बोल सकते, उसके बारे में बोल नहीं सकते. और अच्छा joke नहीं आया तो हम नहीं बोलेंगे. But there's a safe space to just jam and joke together. So I think definitely other comics. And I would also take family from Prashasti, but she elaborated on that.
This green room and the space where comics are together, that to plus 100% because that's funniest. But for me, like if you ask me, and I'll take from CPL so that it's easier for us. Like and this actually off or on CPL, I find Sumaira very funny, and she's in fact killer in the show. Like I cannot wait for audience to watch her because that's how vicious and which is who she is, and that has truly come out to the public. Like ये भोली सी शक्ल का कोई अभी nobody's saying कि नहीं sweet सी है, नहीं ये नहीं चल रहा, that one. And Akash Gupta is just very funny. And actually no, Sumaira के बाद usually I end up saying Uruj only. So Uruj, Sumaira as a combo, I find them very funny. I have always shipped this. And Akash Gupta, because Akash Gupta, I think not on stage, just Akash Gupta. you know.
Yeah.
It is funny.
Just Akash Gupta getting a water bottle. Akash Gupta trying to look for AC remote. कहाँ चला गया? भूल गया था AC remote.
Yeah, I
It's just everything is constantly. अरे सुमुखी white layer पहन के आया कुछ पीस की बात करनी थी क्या? कर ले क्या? Everything is a full skit in it. I love his mind a lot.
Super, guys. This was so much fun. I laughed so much interviewing you. I can't wait for the show. Thank you.
Thank
Thank
you.
you, Stuti.